Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. I am Anissa Abir. Would like to present a people entitled The Use of Artificial Intelligence in Education Beyond Its Benefit and Controversy. Okay, let's take a look at the video. In vocational education at SMK ICT, there are a lot of material that need to perform interaction and simulation using computers. Material conceptual learning makes individual for teacher in visualize pictures of the concrete material. Experience with learning records that are only in the form of image and videos, touch, slide, PowerPoint. Interaction from teacher and student to learning material is also lacking because those who operate PowerPoint slide are one teacher student requires only the information that the teacher describes. In the digital our teachers need to take advantage of technology which is there to facilitate teaching inside and outside the classroom on technology that can be used in virtual reality. Virtual reality makes it easier for students to understand learning material conceptual with more layer because it is three-dimensional and can 360-degree live view. The extent of virtual reality in also strengthens student interaction with learning materials that have been so far only the direction only. In SMK 3J, MM or RPL there are several material who need to use simulation. VR in that case can be used to strengthen students' concentration, attack students' attention, and save simulation cost. Virtual reality is one application of multimedia technology has advantages in describing a state or an object where the visualization displayed can not only be seen from one point of view but can be seen from all angles. Because it has three visual dimensions so that users can interact with an environment. Simulation be a computer virtual reality work by manipulating the human brain so that it seems as if feeling various virtual then feel like the real thing. In general, virtual reality requires users to wear visual tools such as scan mounted the head. In the military field, instead of directly parachuting audience into the battlefield as training, virtual reality can present a virtual world simulation. Historical VR began in 6966 Ivan Sutherland invented the head-mounted display, which is a window into the virtual world. A scientist named Miro required 1916 invented video plays, which allowed users to interact with virtual objects for the first time. Rajon Langer 1989 introduction visual reality and created the first commercial business in cyberspace. Remember, developer augmented reality to make improvements to Boeing aircraft. Boeing's had Thomas development appealed a good virtual reality should have elements that make the virtual world look like real. While in a virtual environment, users will feel immersed as if they are one with their world and can interact with the objects that are there. This is called telepresence, which means that we as users need a medium to see a virtual reality called virtual reality. This media is an intermediary used in the delivery of information from communication to communication with aim to efficiently disseminate the information of message. The use of VR in education is one of the evaluation of the presence of computer-assisted instruction (CIA). Complex basic training. Several students use the 1993 prove that the use of VR makes learning more effective. Youngblood 1998 conducted a survey on the use of VR in education during the 1990 and discovered that the unique capabilities of VR. One of them is the learning aspect of constructivism. The use from students with disabilities and the role of teacher as facilitation of education. Some teachers also mentioned that the use of VR is more affordable and is easy used by students and teachers. Subject matter that require simulation and practice can solved by simulation via VR. VR can also increase variation learning at SMK and teaching students attention to that they are more interaction to learn. VR technology is still rarely used in vocational students who most still use the hands-on system. But the advantage of VR, the answer is to provoke the attention of students who are less action in the lesson in order to be able to recover material with focus and fun. This thing is the advantage of VR to be used as a medium for delivery material at SMK. Conclusion: visual reality is an application of multimedia technology that allow users to enter a virtual world that looks real. In addition to look real, in virtual reality, users can interact with objects contained in the virtual world. Even with the development of increasingly sophisticated virtual reality tools, the interaction that users make in virtual reality are single specific and details. Omni VR terminal tool allow recording the user log so that the user can walk around in the virtual world like in the real world. Virtual reality can be applied in the world of education, especially vocational education. Although is the style error to apply it and style user record practice mountain. In the vocational field of thought, there are many practicants out in certain laboratories where research is continued with virtual reality technology that allow real world visualization applied in the virtual world. For example, vocational practicum for automotive product design can be visualized using virtual reality, so that students can simulation automotive practicum as well as in the real world, because objects in virtual reality can be interaction with virtual reality users. That was a presentation from me, more or less a apology. Thanks for and see you soon. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.